So, hello guys, this is Projack Weekly Webinar 219, July 17th, and glad to tell you guys all my thoughts of the markets today. So let's first look at gold, all right? So gold has a strong rally last week, and it breaks this downtrend line and it makes a very nice rally after breaking out, and it hits into this cipher patterns here. It really gives us sorry, it's not a cipher pattern, but it's a hit Fibonacci retracement of 76. Okay, and look left, there is a structure here. So I have already told my group that we can short from 1426, and that makes a lot of money, about 200 pips. And now the gold looks like sideways and followed by another triangle. Okay, so what you can see here is the gold has already break this triangle and going down, and now it's retested. Okay, so the key control line is 1415. Okay, definitely it's here. So as long as the gold cannot break this level, okay, we are going to take our short one more time, and this time it's going to hit 1395. Okay, so guys, this is perhaps this is today's best chance that we're going to short from 1412 or 1413. Okay, and stop loss about 1419. Okay, so just use this pullback as this breakout, the entry. Okay, use the breakout and pullback, and we are going to short the gold from this zone. Are you ready? Hi, short. Yeah, nice to see you. Hello, Carlos. All right, so we understand this is a triangle breakdown, and now it's pulling back, right? So just get ready for the gold to rally to 1412 or 1413. Alternatively, you can use the Fibonacci to give you a hint. All right, so you can use the Fibonacci from here. Okay, the 618 is about 1411.91. You can use the Fibonacci from here. The 618 is about 1416. Okay, the 0.5% is 1413.41. I will personally prefer 1413.41 because this is the very strong breaking point of the gold. And look at the 1 hour chart, right? Because yesterday the gold actually break down from this level, remember? Okay, so if you catch this breakdown and pullback, you should already win about 100 pips. And now it's coming back all the way, so it's good to take a short from here about 1412 to 1413. Okay. And regardless of this strong rally, you don't be scared, because we are going to short this triangle breakout. Okay, are we clear? Okay, because we understand that the consolidation is over. Consolidation is over, and pulling back just give you another good opportunity to short the gold from here. Okay, and all the way you can just get the profit from 21395, and then the gold may form a harmonic patterns. Okay, this harmonic patterns we call is a garlic patterns, right? So this is actually garlic patterns combinations, and we are going to eat all the way to 1395. So this is a potential or short opportunities for us for today. Okay, so let's move on to euro. Okay, the euro have a nice fall. Okay, and we have a long from here, from this neckline breakout in the pullback and buy, and we come to this previous structure here, 1.1280. Okay, and it failed, and it makes a reversal here, and looks like the euro is going to make a bad pattern, right? So, and now all our eyes is here. The bad pattern is already completed. Okay, so guys, we can use these bad patterns for us to catch a euro dollar buy from here with very, very small risk. The risk is only about 20 pips, right? All right, so the risk is 20 pips, and the potential gain will be about 40 to 60 pips. And if the euro can go up to here, 1.1346, congratulations, that you're going to make a very, very nice trade. Okay, I will think this bad pattern will at least minimally give us this 1.1245 to here, and it can break this 8 point. It will move to 1.1340. So this bad pattern, I think, and with the price action here, okay, we do see that the double test, all right, double test of this area. It failed to break new low, right? You can see here the first test, the second test make a pin bar, and now it's consolidation. So the euro is kind of like make of double bottoms, right? So yeah, and this double bottoms appears at a bad pattern completion point, and that's what we want. Okay, that's what we want. It actually confirms that there are buyers from here, and our stop loss will be below this X. Okay, yeah, euro is a buy. All right, let's look at the sterling. Okay, sterling, we have a nice buy from last week. We bought from here. We bought from this triangle breakdown, right? Okay, and I told you guys to buy from here. Okay, and we do have a very strong rally to 1.2576. That is almost 100 pips. And then the rest position was hit stop loss at break even. Okay, here. Okay, and then it moves down further away to 1.12380. And in 4-hour chart, what I want to say is the sterling is really bearish, right? However, do not chase the sell, okay, because it really goes into the supporting area, because you can see here that all this trend line was hit. Okay, all this trend line was hit, and look left all the way in 217 April. In 217 April, okay, the sterling has a strong origin point of rally is here. Okay, so let me just mark this level for you guys, and you can see this 1.2390 to 1.2360. This zone is really very important. Okay, it's actually the whole strong rally point from all the 217 all the way that the sterling moves 2,000 pips to 1.44. Okay, right, 1.2380 to 1.44. Okay, that is about 1,600 pips. Right, that is origin of the last move. So the sterling has already dropped into this area. Okay, and we're going to look for a buy. Look for a buy. And you can see here in January 2nd of this year, actually touched this area. It actually tells you that the zone is still valid, and today it just touched again. Right, it just touched again and formed the pin bar. See here, form the pin bar. And in 4-hour chart, there's a inside bar potential, so you can buy the inside bar breakout if you want. Okay, this is inside bar, right? So ready to get a breakout of this sterling dollar breakout 4-hour inside bar. Okay, because this area is a good support. Right, and go to 30-minute charts. Perhaps for those guys who trade this inside bar today, is actually already make a win, because that is a beautiful move. Okay, for this for this inside bar breakup, right? And now looks like the sterling really found a support, and we're going to have a nice rally soon, right? Let's go to Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie is falling as well, and it makes a double top at 0.7040. It failed to break new high and comes back, right? And it looks like going to touch this support of the 618. Okay, it may falls to 0.6961. So what we can do is we can find the sell. Okay, find the sell of the pulling back. Okay, you can sell the pullback from 0.70 again and aim to 0.618. Okay, we are using this huge resistance here, and we are using our pullback of this structure break. Right, this is structure broken and pullback. So find the pullback from 0.70 and sell to 0.6960. That is 40 pips potential gain. All right, let's move on to Kiwi dollar. Okay, Kiwi is something different than Aussie, if you remember, right? Because just now the chart, what we can see here, right? If you compare the Aussie to the Kiwi, right? Now, what I feel is the Aussie is a leading indicator for the Kiwi. What I mean leading indicator, okay? So Aussie moves first, okay? Bear this in mind, okay? Aussie moves first, which means the Aussie has already forced, right? And the Kiwi is stop falling and but pull back. But what happened is the Kiwi will soon force to catch the moves Aussie. All right, so you can sell Kiwi right now. All right, guys, you can sell Kiwi right now, right? And stop loss above the previous high here, right? Just like the Aussie stop loss above the previous high, right? And Aussie moves down to this point. So you can see here the Kiwi will move down to this point as well. Okay, so you can sell this Kiwi dollar. All right, this could be a 99% correct trade. Right, just do it because Aussie already hit this same level, and this is just lagging, right? Which means the market, the Kiwi is lagging, the Aussie is leading. Aussie already moves to 0.6999. However, the Kiwi now is still in the high place, right? Understand? This is actually a 99% correct trade. You can just sell Kiwi right now without any fears, because Aussie already tells you what the market going to do. Interesting, right? Anyone? Do you want to sell this trade? I mean, it's not going to be a very good, huge profit zone, but at least a minimum 40 pips for you guys to catch. All right. A lot of times, the Aussie is a leading indicator, just like here. Just like here. You can see. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mute the audience. All right. You can see here the Aussie falls very sharply. Okay, and the Kiwi. Okay, this time this place is they are in the same phase. All right, let me just find another example. Here. Let me see here. For our chart, there's one time I remember. Yeah, it's here. All right, so what we can compare is the Aussie already falls. Okay, Aussie falls so sharply and break the previous support. Okay, all right, but at the time of the Kiwi dollar, you can see here the Kiwi didn't really fall. Kiwi is still sideways. Right? You see here the Kiwi is not falling. By the time the Aussie starts to fall, the Kiwi is still sideways for another two candles, right? And if you compare with the previous low, you can see here the Aussie previous low is about at 0.70, right? Okay, so the Kiwi is still far above this line. Okay, if we are talking about the same horizontal support that formed from January 4th, right? The Aussie already break new low, but the Kiwi hadn't break the new low. You can see here that that's the lagging point, right? You see, the Aussie has a very sharp fall, but the Kiwi only small fall, and then the Kiwi start to catch another fall when Aussie catch to the lowest point. Right? So that's how we actually use this Aussie dollar as an indicator, right, to short Kiwi or buy Kiwi. Right? You can do the same thing over and over again because that's characteristics of these two pairs. Okay, all right, let's move on to dollar yen. Dollar yen is a buy, right? And we do have a nice rally from the last non-farm payroll, and the dollar yen moves very fast from 107.80, and now this place is still a support. Okay, so we just want to buy the dollar yen from 107.90. Okay, just buy all the way to new high. Because the dollar yen already falls once and tried second time, it didn't break new low, and now it forms double bottoms, right? And the neckline was broken and retested. So dollar yen, all right, buy. This is a buy above 107.80, and you can aim for 109. All right, dollar Canadian is and I said last time is actually a sell when it break 1.3240. Okay, and now it comes the price. The buyer is trying very hard to push the price back to 1.3140. However, this ping bar is too strong, right? You can see here this ping bar is too strong. The buyers failed to break new high, and you can short the dollar Canadian after this ping bar. You can short from here and immediately make money, right? And now the dollar Canadian looks like form the double bottoms, right? Okay, so we trade what we see, and we can take these double bottoms as our trading opportunities, right? So a double bottom formed, break neckline, okay, now pulls back, so it's good to buy dollar Canadian from 1.3050 and stop loss about the 1.3020, and all the way you can enjoy your future returns to 1.3122, or second target could be 1.3240. Right, so this is a good opportunities for the dollar Canadian buy. You can see here, you can buy right now, really. It's already tested. Okay, so it's good opportunities. All right, for the oil, okay, the oil is a bad guy that it actually took our stop loss of this bad pattern, right? Remember, okay, but we don't actually have a very big loss. We only lost about 30 pips, right? Okay, so and after this loss was taken, we are trying to find another opportunities, and good that we have a 2618 trade from the oil. Okay, that is a 2618 trade. Okay, you can see the double top here, and you're shorting from 618 point, shorting from 60.51, stop loss above a new high, and you are here catch the wonderful 4. How many of you trade this 2618? How many of you? Okay, double top formed, 618 pullback, and instantly 300 pips, right? Okay, UTB too early. You should take half, right? Take half, and then you can trace the other half, right? So now the oil is in the sideways condition because we do have some support from 57, and we do see a strong resistance from here from 60.50. So the oil really don't have much move this week. Looks like it will be sideways for a few days, right? But the thing is, it has already broke the long-term trend line. So maybe, right, I think that maybe the oil have further down, right, further down. So just to get ready to sell the pullback in 4-hour chart, I want you guys to focus on this place, 59.20. All right. In 4-hour chart, I want you guys to focus on here. Right. If the oil can rally to here, right, take a short. Okay, 59.20. Take a short. Stop loss above this engulfing candle here. Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready for catch another 4 of oil all the way to 54. I think it will touch this area. All right, so that would be a potential about 400 pips. Do you like it? Do you like it when I give you guys this kind of a 400 pips trading idea? Yeah. So then you have to remember the patterns, right? Remember what we are using. We are using structural breakout and pullback. We are using the trend line as a supporting tools to determine what we are going to do. We're going to sell high or we're going to buy low, all right? So I think this oil short will be a 5A trade, okay? 5A trade will be the best trade next few weeks if it really gives us this entry. Any questions? It looks like you guys are not excited at all. You don't want to trade this? All right. Okay, for the euro sterling, okay, someone said it's a weekly bad pattern completed. Yeah, I agree. I really agree that completed, touched to 0.92, and it's good for us to take a short for the euro sterling. Yeah, agree. And in forward chart, all right, huge ping already formed. All right, this is a kind of a 1 ping, 2 ping, 3 ping, 4 ping, 5 ping, right? And looks like look at this ping bars formation. It forms a top, right? So shorts euro sterling, right? You can short euro sterling and all the way aim to 0.88, right? Because it has already pulls into the previous structure here. Okay, this is a very nice trade. All right, so stop loss above 0.9070. Okay, about 40 pips, but you can have a nice fall all the way to 0.87 or 88. Okay. Yes, David, agree. Just do it. Go for a short of the euro sterling. All right. Let's look at S&P. Okay, S&P have a rally above 3K, right? And we do have some short from last week that we take some short from here, and then structural breakout, and structural breakout, and we turns into a buy. See here, okay, and then it forms another double top, right? So S&P, what I feel is the top was real. The top is real, and the neckline was broken. So short S&P below 3008. All right. So as long as S&P is below this neckline, we are bearish. We are bearish, and aim 2984 or 2964. All right. We simply don't want to guess what is the next move of the S&P, but we just simply trade it. Right? We don't guess. We trade what we see. Right? We trade with resistance cannot break, and we take a short and aim, earn about $9, and then we trade this pullback of the buy. We earn another $20, and then it's form a double top and the pullback to the neckline. Again, we're going to trade it. Okay. Okay, very good. It shot from 3019. Very good. Okay, take some profit and ready to add it back. All right, so the best place to short S&P is about 3007. Right? And aim for 2984, 2980, and then 2964. That is two targets for the S&P short. If you really take it. Okay, this will be the two targets. All right, last but not least, the Bitcoin. Okay, the Bitcoin. All right. Last time you remember we took this triangle buy, right, and it worked so nice, and we took all of profit at 13K. Remember in my trading view, right? I really told you guys to, to take all of profit at 13K, right? And how good we are. All target hit. All target hit, right? Trade closed, right? So it really we sell at the highest point, and then it falls back to 95 or 10K. And I think this time it's okay for us to buy the BTC again because this is a strong support. And all you need to do is buy the BTC and aim for another rally. Stop loss of about 8,900. Okay, put your stop loss here. Right, just aim for a rally. All right, last but not least, I want to tell you guys, I'm going to host a competition, and together with all my Chinese traders and with all you guys. Are you ready? Are you excited? Because you know that I'm holding the trading competition in China for already like 2 years, and the reward is about 100,000 CNY. It's about 13,000 US dollar. That is a total reward of the traders. Okay, and and this time we are glad to inform you guys that I'm going to put English version of this contest part, and you guys can join, right? And if you're really winning this first prize, okay, you are okay to contact me to to receive this 13K US dollar reward, right? It will be real money for you, right? All you need to do is to register under this contest and open account with this platform, right? And or a minimum deposit of US dollar 2K, and you're just going to like doing this. Okay, we are going to record your capital, your net asset value, your PNL, your trading frequency, your accuracy, your maximum drawdown, your average win, average loss, and your RR ratio, and you have a total score for you for the ranking. So the top 10 traders will be put into the board. Okay, and if you are the one, right, the contest will run from next week, next Monday to end of August. So about 1.5 months for you to run your P&L, and the top trader can receive 50,000 CNY. Second is 20,000 CNY. Third is 10,000 CNY. Okay, so about total price is about 13,000 US dollar. Okay, all you need to do is to just register account and to trade, right? You don't need to worry about the language. I will translate it into English, right? So if you want to join, I will be welcoming you guys to join this competition. All right, I'm going to send the contest link to the Facebook and to my students group if you want to join. All right, good. So I think that's all for today. And last but not least, just remember that if you want to trade professionally, you want to trade with like me, okay, you can register for my 2019 course. Okay, the 2019 course is already available. You can just get it with me, and you can learn all the things that I teach, the 2618, the structure breakout and pullback, the harmonic patterns, and the rules of 2%, right? If you remember, Jack is on the Trading Views show, right? You can see that you can see my, look at the Sterling, right? Sterling is a very nice, strong rally, good. Okay. If you see the Trading Views home page, you can have my shows in TradingView. Just click shows, and this where is it? Here, this guy. Okay. All right. So session 12 and session 11 is me. Okay. You can watch my show in TradingView. Right. I think that will be helps a lot. Right. Yeah. Looks like you need some buffer. You will see my face. The network is not good. All right. Let me just put the link here so that you guys can see. All right. So that's all for today. I'm going to upload today's recordings to YouTube, and you can join my YouTube from harmonicasia.com. Right, and really just hope all of the trades are profitable. Right. Be ready for the oil. Be ready for the gold. Right. Yeah, the gold already touched. Right. The gold already touched. So let's do it. Let's do it. Sterling yen, that's a buy. All right, sterling yen is a good buy from 14134, right? Of our previous long, we are stopped here, okay, and a stop, that huge loss, a huge drop, and we don't actually encounter the loss, and we are going to buy it again. Okay, just get it, just to buy sterling yen, right? We will not give you more risk, but we give you very huge returns. All right. So that's all for today. So just wait.
What is up, peeps? So in this session here, we are going to take a little bit of a break from.
Yeah, it's here. You can see my face. All right. Good. So thanks for coming, and trade with your plan. Plan your trade. Starting Aussie, you can take all of your profit if you are short. If you're short with me for starting Aussie, you can take all the profit right now because really already hits the target. Right, looks like into the profit. It already hits the previous pin here. Right, take some profit. Yeah, and ready to get it to short it again from here. Ready to short again from 1.78. Find another pullback. right? You can see my first target already hit, right? Just find another pullback. Silver, similar to gold. Yeah, silver, I mean, it's a good to buy from for 15, right? 15 is a good place to buy. This is a neckline breakout, right? You can take a small short from here. You take a quick short from here, just when the pullback, just get a buy again, right? But the silver really have a nice support from 14.50, and that is a beautiful move and pullback, right? So, but take some profit with your long and can take a short from here, 15.80, and aim for 15.50. All right, gold instant profit, right? Good. Yeah. Yeah, good. Instant profit. Yeah. All right. So see you next time. Bye bye. That's all for today.